Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 14th jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to continue programming our chatbot and its algorithm. So we already taught the chatbot to ask for our name, but the chatbot still doesn't know what to do with it. So we are going to teach it. Yeah. Let's enter our coding mode. And the next thing I would like to do, I don't like the way we display this messages right here. So I want to create our own function called function send message, which takes as a parameter a variable name called message. And what this function should do, the function should access the jQuery by this $sign and edit this container, this div container HTML contents. So let me just cut this line of code and paste it right here. And instead of typing this message here, I will delete it. So, and outside of the parentheses, I'll just say plus and message. So what this code will do, if I call the function send message using a parameter as a text, this function will access jQuery and the div container with this ID and place this piece of code right here and add the message which we passed to this function. So, and in the function username, we can just call the function send message and just type the text like say hello, what is your name? Yeah, so make sure this code works. Yeah, it does. So we didn't really see anything on the screen, but it doesn't matter. And the next function I would want to create, I will just call it AI, which will stand for artificial intelligence. I don't know. And we can also pass a parameter to it called message, because this function will get a message from the user input. So, and every time we send the message, we will also we will not only display the message on the screen, but also we will provide the message we just typed to the bot, so the bot knows what to do with it. Anyway, after displaying the message on the screen, we can call the function AI and pass this new message parameter right here. And what new message is, well, the new message is the message you enter from your keyboard, and then you would press send and the message will be displayed. So after the message is sent, as I said, the message also goes to this AI function. So the bot gets the message pretty much. And well, inside of this AI function, we can create our first statement, which is if statement, and we will check if the username is provided. So we can create a variable called username and send it equal to empty I don't know, like just two parentheses. And if username dot length is greater than 3, no, it's less than 3, that means the username is not provided. We can store it, we can save it. So we can say username should be equal to message. And so now we stored the username into the bot's memory. And then we can display a message saying hello username, how are you doing, or something. So we can copy this send message code line and say hello, or we can just say nice to meet you, then plus username, then plus empty parentheses, no, not empty parentheses, space, no, comma, space, how are you doing? Yeah. So let's just go ahead and test this thing. Something is wrong. It says property username of object. Object is not a function. Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have created the function and a variable with the same name. So we can rename the function username to get username, which is actually a better name for a function, since normally if you have a function it would use a verb for a function. So yeah, and now the code is running without any errors. Hello, what is your name? My name is Ilyas, and it says nice to meet you, Ilyas. How are you doing? Well, this is the beginning anyway, and after the nice to meet you, I think we have to put a space. So we are not done with this functionality, unfortunately, but the time is up. So in next tutorial, we are going to improve this feature. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the 15th tutorial. Have a nice day!